Good morning, everybody. This is Jack Johnson, Aloha Kayak Angler. I'm out here at South Shore, Oahu. It's Friday morning, just after first light, and I'm out here with my friend Brandon, Josh, and John Case. So we're going to be starting to look for some bait as it gets lighter out, and hopefully it gets us on some pelagic fish later. Aloha. Have a great day. Yeah, I'm out here. I got some bait early. I'm about 350 foot of water, trying to head out to the ledge, into the ledge. I went over the ledge a few times. My bait got scared, but really nothing took. Got my friend Brandon over there from the team AKA. We're out here trying to get her done. All right, wish us luck. Come on.
Okay. Yeah, looks like he's on. My GoPro is one of the things I left behind.
Oh.
Turn your GoPro on.
It's heavy, whatever it is. It might be a shark. I just lost it. What up, Brandon?